to the channel. Welcome to Ledsnbaggs. Alright, today's video we're going to go over the 4.5 inch stretch bag factory color match. Okay, so this particular setup, this customer bike is Reef Blue. So these bags are factory color match. Alright, so there's a few steps that you have to do and then you'll be ready to get back on the road. So right here we have the stock bag with the stock lid. And then right here we have the Advanblack 4.5 inch stretch bag. Like I said, we'll be going over getting this bag set up. The setup comes with both bags. All right, it comes with some hardware. This particular job, I ordered the exhaust brackets. This customer had a 4.5 inch stretch pipes, so we had to order the exhaust brackets so that the bags wouldn't hit your pipes. So keep that in mind when you order the bags. These are exhaust brackets. Alright, so order a set of those. That does not come with it, it's extra, okay? Now this hardware right here comes with it. You get the twist knob, or you can stay with your regular factory setup, okay? So you can move over to the twist knob setup. Just a few steps and then you can have this twist knob set up on your bike, or you can stay with your factory. So either way, it comes with 4 of those. Comes with some washers, 4 washers as well. So just a few little hardware trinkets that they add in there. You also get a handy dandy Advanblack sticker. All right, some of them do. I guess they drop them in the box. Now, just like the exhaust brackets, I ordered skid plates for this particular customer, and I do apologize for not having this open. This is another extra add-on. Okay, this is another extra add-on. So for those guys that does hard riding, or you just want to protect your investment, you can order the skid plates, and these go on the bottom of the bag. Okay, I'm not sure what size this one is. All right, but these are the skid plates, and they just apply to the back of the bag. Oh, I picked the right one. Awesome. All right, just double-sided tape, and they apply just like that. All right, so this is something that we'll add on later. Let's get the bag squared away first, and then we'll add that onto the particular bag. All right. So like I said, I'm an Advanblack dealer. Okay, Eddie Bird. You can check me out at Ledsnbaggs.com or Ledsnbaggs across all social media platforms. So I want to thank you for taking your time on watching this video. Obviously, I probably sent this video to you because you're interested in purchasing some bags, or you may already have them, just want to take a look at it. But for you new guys that's interested, the bags do not come with the lid. As I mentioned earlier, the bags come with just the bags, and the hardware I just went over, and you use your stock bag. All right, so let's get to the action. So now what I'm gonna do is remove the stock hardware from the stock bag. Okay. All right, and what's moving around in here is the hardware from the bike. All right, so this size is a T15 with a small ratchet. All right, just take your time and you ratchet these out. Over. The grommets are on. There's a set of grommets on the new bag. So you can leave those. And you got the hardware here. Now, those of you, not sure if you can see well, but basically you got 4 bolts inside here. Alright, so basically what we're about to do is remove our lid. Alright, so 1 bolt, there's no need to remove the tether at the top. You don't need to do that. That's an extra step that you don't have to do. Now, if you have audio work or lights or whatever the case may be, then you have to take those pre-measures to switch that stuff over. that bag in a safe place, okay? I recommend wrapping it back up. You never know, you may need the bag later or sell them or whatever the case may be, okay? So now we're gonna work on getting the lid mounted to the new bag. And as I mentioned earlier, everything is already pre-drilled, okay? There's nothing extra that you have to do to get these things mounted. So we're gonna take our latch hinges here, we're gonna get this mounted up. So what we're gonna do is get the hardware bolts here mounted up on this bike, both sides, and then we'll install the lid. Take a break from the action and inform you about the LEDs and bags page. All right, I'm an Advanblack dealer. I'm a dealer for multiple companies. So check out Ledsnbaggs.com. Also check me out at on Facebook, EddieByrdII, or LEDs and Bags. Ledsnbaggs parts review page. So everything's LEDs and bags. All right, check me out. If you're in the market for the factory color match parts, tour packs, bags, speaker lids, 8-inch lids, we're constantly launching new items. Also, you may see me at a show. Okay. I did Daytona, also will be at Sturgis, okay? So just like I said, check me out, see me out and about, wave to me. But like I said, I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, all right? Appreciate you, and let's get back to the action. All right, got the hinge or the latch is installed, all right? It's time to move to the other side of the bag. So what I'm gonna do is lay it down. And the easier way to do it is lay it like I had it. Take my stock lid here. Okay, stock lid. Turn it around. Now there's some longer bolts and there's some shorter bolts. As you can see, direct fit, bolt right on. Just have to be careful when you're doing this, okay? Alright everyone, so we got the bags installed. I'm gonna do a quick walk around on the bike, show you how beautiful it came out. Like as I mentioned, please follow my Facebook pages, so Ledsnbaggs.com, also LEDs and Bags at Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all the social media platforms. Alright, so this particular build is not complete, so I just wanted to stop the build and show you how the bags are. I know I mentioned earlier in the video about the exhaust brackets, the skid plates. They are not installed right now because we're coming through with something special. So click on the video somewhere on the screen. It should be a part 2. All right, but I'm gonna get this thing flipped around and show you how it come out. All right, here we have it. This is a 2022 Road Glide. This is the Reef Blue. All right.
So these are the Advanblack 4.5-inch stretch bags. All right, as I mentioned, I sell these bags. So your bike may be blue, it may be black, maybe red. Reach out to me, I'll get you squared away. Your lids, as you see, will fit right on. We'll get a little closer here in just a second. They'll bolt right up. Now, some of you guys, I mentioned getting a rear fender extension. It'll close in the gap down here. All right, we're going with something special on this one, so it's not installed. Like I said, the installation is not complete. So we're on the bags a little bit, but it's not gonna hurt anything right now. All right, that's how the bags come out. 4.5-inch stretch. Now, this particular bike does have the iRide. I think that's what it's called, where it automatically lowers. So that's why the bike is sitting like that. It has air ride. So when they pull off, the bike raises up to a riding height, and then when it stops, it lowers down to a comfortable stopping height. All right, I did not install that, but that's what this bike is equipped with. This is blue, man. I love this. This thing is a beauty. Beautiful. All right, let's get the bags opened up. All right, just like butter. All right, so you can line your bag with the liner, or you can go naked, however you choose to have it. But it bolts right on, nothing spectacular. Install these, both sides, throw the lid on there, and boom, you're good to go. Now, if you purchase anything else, then you gotta attend to that particular install, or if you have speakers or latch or whatever the case may be. All right, so guess what? It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, check the other video out, part 2 installation of this particular build right here. All right. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.